guys. I got my smoke detector over here. Beep. Take this out.
I know how you get these things because you watch other videos.
Oh, shut up. We're testing. We're putting new batteries in. Pop.
I can't even see.
Now my batteries. Now this green battery is the one that came. This is the smoke detector. I know that's my eye. Shut it. Okay. We'll pop this in. Beep. And now we'll test this battery. Beep. 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 Beep.
Can I test it again?
Sure.
Beep. Oh. Beep. Beep. Beep.
It's still bad.
Why do you crack my iPad? Okay.
So bye, guys.
Bye.
That was actually changing it because this battery, there's a battery in my hand right now, is pretty old. These ones die very quickly. Right now, it's just an EK notification if you heard that. Okay, I'm subscribed to EK. Bye.